Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Ford Transit T330S single cab tipper truck, and this is a 2011 model. As you can see, you can purchase our single cab tipper truck for as little as £48 per week. Showing you into the front of the cab area, you can see it has been kept clean and tidy by the previous owner, and there's no signs of any rips or tears in the seats. Now the alley tipper body is all in good condition. This truck benefits from having a rear tow wall and hitch. Now I'm going to show you into the engine bay of our Ford Transit single cab tipper truck. As you can see, the engine is all in good condition. There's no signs of any oil leaks. I've had a good look round. Overall, all in good condition. The levels here are at the correct marks, are where they need to be. Right, so now I'm on to the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Ford Transit single cab tipper truck, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly, let's get the engine started up. There we go. As you can see, it starts up straight away. There's no dashboard warning lights on, and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. Now, part of the video appraisal on the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour, so I can demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes, and talk about any features that this single cab tipper truck has. And as you can see, I'm going through the gears really nicely. We go straight up into 6th gear. Now this truck also comes complete with electric windows. We've got a CD player with steering wheel controls as well. Now if I take the hands off the steering wheel, you can see it's driving in a straight line. I give the steering wheel a little bit of a shake, which is really nice, the steering on this. And now on a approach to roundabout, I'm just going to be demonstrating and testing out the brakes for you today. So now braking, take the hands off the steering wheel, there we go, as you can see there's no juddering, no pulling. That's the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Ford Transit single cab tipper truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.